Stop buying buffalo sauce. This homemade version is 10 times better. 1/2 cup hot sauce, like Frank's style. 1/3 cup unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon white vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Pinch of salt. In a pan, melt the butter on low heat. Don't let it brown, keep it smooth. Add the hot sauce and mix gently. This is where that classic buffalo flavor starts building. Pour in vinegar, then add garlic powder, paprika, and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until silky and fully combined. Turn off heat and let it cool slightly. It thickens perfectly as it rests. Toss it with crispy wings, drizzle over fried chicken, or even use as a spicy dip. Try this once, and you'll never go back to store-bought. Follow for more easy sauces.